Hello, today is Thursday, June 27th. My name is Brady. I'm with Regal Roofing. This is a repair attempt for Kevin Jordan at 432 Hollythorn Trace. Claim number is 0756740023. This here is the wind damage shingle we're going to be replacing. You can see shingles above it, not damaged, but are not in good condition either. Let's go ahead and attempt this repair. I am going to use flat bar to take the nails out because it's much thinner than the roof snake, and I will use a roof snake to put the nails back in to prevent from having to lift the shingles up too high. So let's go ahead and get the first 4 lower nails out. Right away, we've got some mat transfer going on. First one's going to be right here. Right away, that nail head is ripping right through the shingle. Once again, shingle is ripping over the nail head. So those nail holes are going to be much too large. Alright, that was the lower nails. Let's get the higher nails. Alright, I think that was all of them. There it is. And let's get a new shingle and slide it in. Alright. Go ahead and use a roof snake to nail this new shingle down. last of the lower 4 nails. And now the higher 4. These are a little easier because the nail holes are already in the shingle. That is the last top 4 nails. But as you can see, even using proper care, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shingles have been damaged. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 separate shingles. 1, 2, 3, 4 have become creased. This repair has definitely failed. We will be sending in an estimate for full replacement. Thank you.